guys, how are you? And in today's video I am going to tell you how you can make a Notepad application using Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. So first I am going to show you how it works. You can see it is working. Now I want to open a file. I click on file and click on open. You can see the open dialog box automatically opens. I click on my file. You can see it automatically opens when I click on select and click on my file. And now I want to format it. I go to format and font. You can format on your own thing. I am formatting it as I want. You can see it has been formatted. I want to change the color. I click on color and select the color and click on OK. You can see the color has also been changed. And now I want to align it left. You can see it has been aligned left. I want to apply a bullet. You can see bullet has been also applied. I want to zoom it. I click on zoom. You can see it has been zoomed. You want to normal. I want normal zoom. I click on 1 and you can see the zoom already changes into normal. I want to know who made this. You can see welcome to Notepad, which is made by Atif. So now I am going to tell you how you can make this. So now I am taking a new page. You have to click on new project and you have to select Windows Phone application and give your application a name. You can give your name as you required. I am giving it Notepad 1 and clicking on OK. You can see the page automatically appears, and it is the place where we have to do all our formatting. So first I want a menu stripe. I double click on it. You can see it automatically appears on the top of the firm one. I want file, and in file I want new, open, save, and for exit I want a separator. I am clicking on separator, and in this I am typing exit, and now I am typing edit, and in edit I want cut, copy, paste, redo, I mean undo, and redo. And now I want format tab. And in format I want font, color, align, and in align I am setting 3 aligns: left, center, right, and center. And now I want bullet. I am typing bullet, and in bullet I want yes or no option. And now I want zoom tab, and zoom I am taking random numbers. You can also take random numbers. And now I am going to about, and in about I am typing it down. And now I want a reach text box. I double click on it and it automatically appears, and in the properties of reach text box I go to dock and click on this. You can see it automatically fills the entire. And now I want to type a code in it. So I have to double click on new, and in new I have to write reach text box 1 dot clear. And now I am going to test it. I am typing something like welcome, and I am going to new. You can see it automatically clears the page, and now I want to write a code on open, so I am double clicking on open, and in this I have to write. First I have to insert a open file dialog, and now I have to go to the coding of open tool stripe menu item, and now I have to type open file dialog 1 dot show dialog, and now I have to type reach text box 1 dot load file, and in bracket I have to type open file dialogs dot file name, open file dialog 1 dot file name, and now I am going to test it. You can see I want to open a file. I have already saved it, so I am going to desktop. In the desktop I have saved my file. You can see it automatically opens when I select my file, and now I am going to set the coding command for save. So I am double clicking on save. And now I have to type save dialog 1. Sorry, I don't take a save dialog box. Every time you have to take a specific dialog for specific commands. Save file dialog 1 dot show dialog, and reach text box 1 dot save file, and in bracket save file dialog 1 dot file name, and now I am going to test it. I am going to test it, so I am typing anything, and now I want to save it. I am going to file and clicking on save, and now I am typing the file name. I am typing demo2, and you have to remember in last you have to type RTF, and I am clicking on save. My file has been saved successfully. If you want to show a dialog box for file saved successfully, so you have to type msg box, and in this you have to open bracket, and in quotation mark you have to save. You have to type file saved successfully. And now I am going to save, and now I am going to type anything, and I am going to save it. I am giving it name demo3.rtf, and now I am clicking on save. You can see it is showing file saved successfully, and now I am going to type the command for exit. So I am double clicking on it, and I have to type only end, and now I am going to text it. I want to exit it. I click on it, and you can see it automatically exit. And now I am setting commands for cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. First I am going to cut. You have to type reach text box 1 dot cut, and I am going to run it. Now I am typing anything, and now I am selecting it, and I am going to edit and clicking on cut. You can see it automatically cuts. If you want to set a shortcut for this, you have to go to its property and click on shortcut keys, and in this you have to set the shortcut key for this. I am setting the shortcut keys. Open save, exit, and in edit I am giving cut, control plus X, sorry, I give exit control plus X, I have to give it control plus W, copy control plus C, paste control plus V, undo control plus Z, redo control plus Y. Okay, I have setted all the shortcut keys, and now I am going to test the cut. I am typing anything, I am selecting it, I am clicking control plus X, you can see it automatically cuts, and now I want to set the command for copy, so I am double clicking on it, and you have to type reach text box 1 dot copy, and now I am going to test it. I am typing anything on it, I am selecting it and copying it. You can see it automatically copies, and now I have to set the paste command, and you have to type reach text box 1 dot paste, and now I am testing the paste command. I am typing anything, I am selecting it and I am copying it, and I am pasting it. You can see it is working correctly, and now I am going to set the undo and redo. In undo you have to type reach text box 1 dot undo, and I am going to test it. I have typed anything, I am clicking on delete, and I click control plus Z, you can see it automatically reappears, and now I have to set for redo, and in redo you have to type reach text box 1 dot redo, and now I am testing it. I am typing anything and I am deleting it. I am now control Y, I am clicking control plus Y, control plus V. You can see they are working. Now I am going to set the format, set the coding for font. I am double clicking on it, and you can see I have typed font dialog box 1 dot show dialog, reach text box 1 dot selection font is equal to font dialog box 1 dot font, and now I am going to run it. I am typing anything and I am selecting it, and I am going to format and clicking on font. I am formatting it as I want. You can format it as you want. You can see it is working correctly, and now I am going to set the coding for color. I double click on it. I have to insert a color dialog box 1. I have already inserted it, and now I have to type color dialog 1 dot show dialog, reach text box 1 dot selection color is equals to color dialog 1 dot color. And now I am going to test it. I am typing anything, and now I am going to color. You can see the color dialog has been appeared, and I select the color. You can see it has been setted. And now I want to set the coding for align. I am firstly setting the left. For this I have to type reach text box 1 dot selection alignment equals to horizontal alignment left. And now I am going to test it. I am typing anything, and now I am going to align and clicking on left. You can see it has been aligned left. And now I am going to set for right. I have to type reach text box 1 dot selection alignment equals to horizontal alignment right. And now I am going to test it. I am typing anything, and now I am going to format align right. You can see it has been aligned right. And now I am setting for center. I have to type reach text box 1 dot selection alignment is equals to horizontal alignment center. And now I am going to test it. I am typing anything, and now I am going to align it. You can see it has been aligned. And now I am going to set the coding for zoom. I am clicking on 1. I have to type reach text box 1 dot zoom factor equals to 1. And now I am copying it, and now I am going to 2, and in 2 I am pasting it as 2. 3, 4, 4, 4. In 6 I am typing 6. In 8 I am typing 8. In 10 I am typing 10. In 12 I am typing 12. In 14 I am typing 14. And now I am going to show you zoom command. I go to zoom, I click on 10. You can see it has been zoomed, and when I click on 1 it sets to be default. And now I am going to tell you how you can set the command for about. I click on made by, and you have to type msg box. You have to type you want. I am typing welcome to Notepad, which is made by Atif. And now I am going to show you. I am clicking on made by. You can see welcome to Notepad, which is made by Atif. And this is about today's video. I hope you will like, share, subscribe my channel. So bye bye.